Welcome to my channel. 192.168.1.250 Login Admin. Make sure your device, computer, laptop, etc., is connected to the same network as the device with the IP address 192.168.1.250, e.g., via Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Launch your preferred web browser, Chrome, Firefox, Edge, etc., on the connected device. In the browser's address bar, type http://192.168.1.250 and press Enter. This will open the login page for the device. It may take a few seconds for the login page to load. Be patient. When the login page appears, you'll be prompted to enter the username. The default username is often admin or root, but check the device's manual or label if you are unsure. Enter the admin password. The default password is typically admin or 1234, unless it has been changed. Again, check the device's manual if you are unsure. After entering the username and password, click the Login or Sign In button to proceed. If the credentials are correct, you should be logged into the device's admin interface. If not, you'll receive an error message prompting you to re-enter the login details. For security purposes, it's a good idea to change the default admin password to something more secure. Look for the Settings or Security section in the admin interface to change the password. Thanks for watching.